One Piece still has about 8 to 9 years to go, with arcs running from 2025 to 2034. Egghead and Elbaf, I guess, is pretty accurate if you're talking about the anime. But Laugh Tale right after Elbaf? We don't even know where the last poneglyph is. I guess it's still possible though, right? But then you got the war. I don't know what that's supposed to be referring to because you got the final war right after it. I guess Oda's going to have 2 war arcs back to back. Then finally, after the final war ends in 2033, we're going to get the epilogue where Luffy marries Boa. I mean, I think an epilogue is possible. I don't think it'll be in 2034 though. That's outrageous. One Piece does not have 9 years left in the tank. Oda said he was 80% done with the story at the start of Wano. We've had well over 2 arcs since that point. But I do want to acknowledge that he doesn't really plan for the end of One Piece. He said that One Piece would be ending this year 3 years ago. So I do think there's a substantial amount of time left for One Piece, but not 9 years. I just think if you're going to make one of these graphics, at least make it a little more accurate, you know, like 9 years is just using headcanon. Oh, you know what? I kind of see where this dude is coming from because when you look at it from like the full image, you know, I wasn't looking at it from the full image. This makes sense, right? Because after the epilogue, you go to Bogardia, and you could spend a very decent amount of time in Bogardia, as we know.